Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So guys, you already know that Google has recently announced Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro, which are definitely going to be one of the best flagship level device coming from Google this year. It is going to be incredibly fast and it's coming with its own in-house developed Tensor processor inside, which definitely make this device as one of the best devices in terms of Android side. And you guys, since judging from the past, we are also expecting to see a mid-range category Pixel 6 device, which is the Pixel 6a. And today we have got a cat-based render based on the leak coming from All Leaks, which is a credible source for the leaks and rumors of the devices. And honestly, these cat-based renders give us a detail what to expect from this phone in terms of look and design. And you guys, as a look of the Pixel 6a, it looks like Google is following that path, centered punch hole camera and in-screen fingerprint reader. The Pixel 6a render is barely distinguishable from the Pixel 6, but if you notice clearly that the bezels around the sides are going to be even slimmer than the Pixel 6a, whereas the Pixel 6 is coming with a thick bezel on the sides, which is definitely going to be a great move from Google if these cat-based renders are true. Another major difference will be the size. The Pixel 6 Pro was coming with a 6.7 inch and the Pixel 6 was coming with a 6.4 inch, but the display of the Pixel 6a will be a 6.2 inch based on the cat render. Well guys, moving on towards the back side, you will see that there is going to be coming with a horizontal camera bar on the back side, which make the Pixel 6a instantly as most recognizable phone on the market. The camera bar is noticeably reduced in width as compared to the Pixel 6. The camera bump also won't be as tall, with reports saying that the phone will measure at 10.4mm, including the bar. Camera downgrade is pretty likely. Google has used the same primary camera sensor, a Sony IMX363, in most Pixel phones, and it would not be surprised that we see the same sensor shows up in the Pixel 6a. The Pixel 6a flagship style design means that it comes with some design touches people may or may not be happy with. We might not see any kind of a headphone jack support inside the Pixel 6a, which is definitely going to be a trend which most companies are setting right now, that the 3.5mm headphone jack will be removing. And you guys, it seems like looking at those images, we might actually see a gloss on the back side, which definitely make the Pixel 6a as a premium looking device. With no words on the specs, we can't only speculate about the SoC. We already know that Google is not having any kind of a mid-range category Tensor chipset, and they haven't released any kind of a chipset. It's my guess that Google might actually use the same Tensor chipset as they have used in the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro devices. And you guys, that are the latest information that are coming for the Pixel 6 series. Do consider subscribing the channel if you want to keep yourself updated. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.